Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking in the essentials and acting fast. Check the raid timer and enemy behavior, then pick a bait unit with soak or mobility so it survives initial aggro. You position that player slightly ahead of the group to draw attention, while the rest of your team holds back and avoids unnecessary triggers. Once the bait draws the first wave, make sure healers are ready and tanks are staged to rotate aggro smoothly. This prevents resets and maximizes controlled engagement. You now move into the core rotation where timing matters most. Use predictable pull windows and your bait's cooldowns to shape enemy priorities. This keeps the raid from flanking or splitting. Once the bait nears resource thresholds, swap to the next designated bait quickly so the fight never loses tempo. Communicate DPS windows so everyone bursts when the bait is secure. Doing this increases sustained damage and prevents chaotic target switching that kills momentum and wastes healer. You finish by timing a focused burst while the bait keeps attention to avoid friendly fire. Save major offensive cooldowns for the last phase. Use defensive heals and shields on the bait to prolong its window. Once the boss nears collapse, tighten formation and remove extraneous movement to avoid interrupts. If the bait unexpectedly falls, stop offensive actions briefly, reposition and heal the assigned player, or swap another bait in instantly. That one key recovery step prevents a full wipe and lets you resume with minimal delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.